Allison Resendiz with Foodservice Equipment Reports at the National Restaurant Association Show. Michael, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, absolutely, Allison. So my name is Michael Renau. I'm the Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Renau. And I'm here today to show you guys a really cool new product that's going to be taking the industry by storm.
So tell me a little bit about this wireless food probe that I know you're just launching at the show. Is that right? Can you tell us a little bit about what makes it unique?
Yeah, absolutely. So on its face, it really just looks like a regular Bluetooth food probe, but what makes it special is Renau's patented technology, which makes it self-charging. So in terms of energy efficiency, I mean, it doesn't really get much better than that. So the way it works is it actually takes, whether it's in a holding cabinet, a blast chiller, an oven, so you insert the probe into the food item, and you get the internal temperature. Then you have the ambient temperature inside of the cavity, cold air or heat from an oven. So it takes the temperature differential from that and actually creates energy. So it's a self-charging probe that harvests energy from temperature.
Okay, and can you tell me a little bit about how it ties in with your smart kitchen?
Yeah, absolutely. So for our off-the-shelf product line for direct-to-operator, what we have is it integrates with our smart kitchen system hub. So what you see here is this is what the staff sees. So they see exactly what the internal product temperature is. It also alerts you once it's finished cooking. If temperature was not able to be reached, if it's out of temperature, you also get an alert if it's in holding to put it into, get reheated. So it provides the staff with pretty much information on exactly what's going on, providing a very easy way of efficiently managing food safety.
Okay. So that was going to be my next question. How does it help an operator be more efficient and more profitable? Could you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, absolutely. So it really does streamline food safety. It also empowers the staff at the same time to be able to take actionable alerts with our smart kitchen system hub. It tells them exactly what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. So it also kind of empowers staffs to have a little bit more autonomy, less concentrated focus from the manager on that perspective. So, and really in general, I mean, it helps with automation. So this is kind of the first step right here. The next is we're going to be integrating with some new equipment manufacturers that it's actually going to be able to automate the cook and hold process. So really the automation is the best part because you get to reallocate that labor then that was used previously for cooking or monitoring that and be able to reallocate them to somewhere else in the kitchen. So there's a lot of very exciting applications for it as well.
Okay, so where do you see this working best? In what sort of food service setting? Do you see it in healthcare, in chain restaurants, or?
Well, so really any commercial kitchen that cooks, cooks food and holds food can benefit from this. And really kind of our ultimate goal is to be able to track the flow of food all the way from the walk-in to the serving counter. Now this probe, it stays with that particular food item the whole way through. So obviously no batteries, no fuss, no plugs, no cables, no charging docks. So we make it very simple and easy to track that food throughout the prep process, cook process, and then holding process.
And I know you wanted to show us a couple other products at your booth today. Do you want to walk over there now?
Yes, absolutely. Let's go take a look, Allison.
Okay, Michael, I know we're hanging out here in front of another new product. These are your timers. Could you tell us a little bit about the benefits of the timers?
Yeah, sure. So we're very excited. So our new line of timers over here, so in terms of a direct replacement for what is now really just 1980s technology in channel timers, there's an immediate benefit. Not only do you have obviously an updated display, which greatly improves the visual experience for the commercial kitchen staff, it also really simplifies programming, and that's where the real cost savings actually come in. So really as simple as a USB port over here, once you program your first timer, a chain, they're going to have maybe 100 more of these timers in other locations. So really when it comes to programming, we can either pre-program it, send it out, or they can program their other units themselves with the USB port. And what that does is basically eliminates any need for a service tech or somebody in ops to have to then go and program it themselves, which we all know those costs can be in the hundreds of dollars. So really it's immediate cost savings. And we also have obviously our SKS hub, which that gives you a little bit more flexibility too. And with the wireless communication with our cloud platform, you can actually go ahead and push wireless updates through our cloud platform to your timer and basically update hundreds of timers at your locations within a matter of minutes. So a single individual can handle this whole process, and really, I mean, in terms of cost savings, it's really something that we're excited about.
Oh, neat. Well, thanks so much, Michael, for showing us all your couple new products.
Absolutely. Thank you, Allison.
Good to see you. This is Allison Rezendes with Food Service Equipment Reports at the National Restaurant Association Show.